Good morning, friends. I just wanted to give you a real quick update on Lolapalooza t-shirts and a couple other things. T-shirt orders are going to be going in tonight. It's about a 3-week turnover, so I want to give it plenty of time in case there's any issues. But if you haven't gotten your money to me yet and you still want a t-shirt, I can put in another order next week and they still should make it. Like I said, I'm just erring on the side of caution. Couple other things. The official meetup starts on October 24th, and we're all going to meet at the main restroom at Deer Haven Campground Loop. So come on by there, and that's where you'll pick up your t-shirt, and that's where I'll have the signs posted with all the events. There's also going to be a table set up there at the bathroom at Deer Haven. It's called the free table. So if you have something that you enjoyed or something you got that you thought you would use and didn't, and you want to share that with somebody else, go ahead and bring that. Last year we had a lot of books and movies, different lights, just some really cool little stuff, and tons of people went home with something fun and new. So, like I said, if you have something for the free table, go ahead and bring that. Just make sure it's a good usable item that somebody else will enjoy. And then at the end of the event, anything that's left, just take it with you. Now, I've had a couple of questions. There's a lot of things planned for Lolapalooza and a lot of things that aren't planned that are going to be going on. Please don't feel like you're obligated to go to all of the seminars or even any of them. But if there's something that interests you or something that you just want to check out, please feel free. That's what they're there for. It's going to be, like I said, a very wide variety of topics. So hopefully you'll find something that you want to do. If not, just hanging out, visiting with the crowd, that's a good time too. So, yep. Just wanted to give that little update. I want to thank you all for making your reservations. It looks like Cooper Lake State Park, that South Sulphur unit, is just about booked to the hilt. I think there's one ADA campsite left and a couple of cabins. So if you do still want to come and you haven't made your reservation, there's another part of Cooper Lake State Park called the Doctor's Unit. It's about a 15-minute ride. It's just on the other side of the lake. You can still camp there and just drive over for the events and stuff during the day if you want to. Or, hook up with somebody who's maybe just in a van and they have room to double up and share their campsite with them. Anyway, I am really looking forward to this. I've gotten so much great feedback from so many awesome people. I just can't wait. This is going to be so much fun. So hopefully we will see you all there at Lolapalooza 2019, October 24th through the 27th, Cooper Lake State Park, South Sulphur Unit. Anyway, hope to see you there. Y'all stay lost, my friends. At the bathroom, we will also have our free table set up, and what that is if there's something that you have, maybe you bought and you thought, oh, this is so cute, I'll use it, then you ended up maybe not using it. You're loud. Go, go, go.